So is that Rotorua or some other lake? It is Rotorua. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, whoa! Sorry. We'll let you go. Yeah. Oh, there he comes. Caught you. These look familiar. We rode here once from Rotorua. Down to that water down there. Now we're staying at the camp here. And here. There we go. Robert and I have driven the 4-hour drive from Whanganui to Rotorua to spend a couple of nights here, where we plan to ride the Whakarewarewa Forest Loop track. We booked into a holiday park knowing that we needed to charge our e-bikes, so paid the $32 a night fee before we headed off to check out where we'd be setting off on our bike ride from tomorrow. Do you ride Rotorua? Not yet, but you plan to, right? Do you ever crash? Yes, no, really? Okay, yes. No, you will. Do you like riding with others? No. Except you, Bobby. Give it a try. Okay, no. Do you like fun events? No. No. Seriously? Okay, yes. Join the... Nah, we won't be joining the club. That's Rotorua Mountain Bike Club. Sorry, we're old and we don't do things like that. That evening, we headed to the lake's edge to attempt to capture the sunset. Well, not really the best place for a sunset, but it was still pleasant enough to get some nice photos. Then the moon came out later. So now we knew that it would be the perfect spot for a sunrise. So the next morning, along with the seagulls, we watched as the sun rose over Lake Rotorua. Then we were off, back at Rotorua's mountain bike park, where we were to start our loop track ride. We're not going that way, people. It's chilly. Thought it would be. Let's warm up. I didn't see what the time was. 8:30? Loop de loop. Hey. It's so scenic, isn't it? Good. It's so cold, my eyes are watering. Whoa. Trail crossing. Ooh. Look at it, everybody. One way. Yay. As a working production forest, we are allowed here as mountain bikers thanks to the generosity of Māori landowners. Back in the 1890s, 60 different tree species were planted to determine which would be best for our unique environment. Looking at lands that have similar climates to ours, North America's west coast, with its thriving radiata pine, created the backbone to New Zealand's forestry industry. She's on. Beast. You utter little beast. Find your little phone. I found you. Here you are. All alone. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I just love it to pieces. I love it, love it. Look at it. Today, forest covers 31% of New Zealand's land surface and 24% being native bush. Smells a bit Rotorua-like. Oh, looks like that was oh, no wonder. Oh, I wonder it's Rotorua-like. Mud pool. Another little pool. We'll just go and have a look. Ooh. Mai inga hohonutanga. Ai. This information board is explaining the different geothermal features found around here, with the grey mud pools being the most predominant. Yay! Look at this forest. It's beautiful. What day was Mother's Day? Sunday. 11 and 12, so it is the 13th. Tuesday the 13th. Looks like we're at the top. We zigzagged in and around to get up here, didn't we? Still on the right track. On the loop, to loop. Beautiful. Oh, don't stop. Keep going here. Take a break. Trail crossing. Oh, bumpy. Oh. Okay. Oh, what's this one say? There's another thing. Nā wai ahinga nā ara. Yep, tells us everything. The Whakarewarewa Forest was designated a park in 1975 when Rotorua residents, along with the mountain bike club, built the trails. Then in the 1990s, work crews and trail trusts were developed, overseeing the trail networks. Whew. A little bumpy, isn't it? Ooh. There is a lot of trails merging. Wow. The legacy of being first. In 2006, the World Mountain Bike Championships came to Rotorua. Although the events were held on Mount Nongataha, a little way away, where the Zorb is found at the base of Mount Nongataha. But still, this Whakarewarewa Forest was so popular that team managers had to ban their athletes from riding here, as they were exhausting themselves before their races at Mount Nongataha. How far have we come? Not far. We've done 3k. Well done, and we've only got 30 to go. Hey, hey. We needed to trail entry. What? Where's the turn? Oh, it wasn't a turn as such. So we're still going straight along this road. Look, there. Oh man, I missed the turn off. Oh, you've gone too far. That sign says I've gone too far. No kidding. I realise now. Yay, we're on it. On track again. So is that Rotorua or some other lake?
Rotorua.
It is Rotorua. Hey. Good. Got a view at last. Oh, you're taking your hat off, huh? Okay. 1906. What does that mean? On that log.
Push back. Don't push back. Don't push back. Don't push back. Don't push.
Oh, maintenance. Oh.
Set up for the day.
Oh. A good one. What was he doing? Setting what up for the day? Oh, he just clears the track, does he? From all these branches. Is that his job? Hang on, I'm going to have to stop. Bye-bye. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Just stunning.
Well, you can shake it anyway. Oh. Well, you can shake it anyway.
Guardianship and protection.
Well, you can shake it anyway. Push back. Don't push back. Don't push back. Don't push. That's the limit. Don't push back. Don't push. That's the limit. Don't push back. Don't.
Isn't me?
That's the limit. Don't push back.
I don't know. But anyway, there's a view here.
Don't push back. Don't push. That's the limit. Don't push back.
Super.
Don't
Super, babe. Drinks time? Yep.
You can shake it anyway. Oh,
Oh, look at those. Look at those mushrooms. Oh, they're beautiful. I love them.
don't push back.
Okay. Oh, there's even more. Oh, they are gorgeous, aren't they? Someone's knocked them. These are beautiful. Big, huge ones, aren't they? under a road. Wow. There's the road up there. Noisy. Huh. Road. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, whoa! Sorry. We'll let you go. Yeah. No, Bobby. Wait, Robert. Couple more, so we'll wait. We'll wait patiently. So that's it. Finally, that was that. Jingos. What did that thing ask? Do you like riding in company? No! I guess they weren't e-bikes, were they? I get that on my ride around the bridges. People cruise on past me. Tawa car park. It's not us. The Rotorua shuttles. Oh. Yeah. What more? There. Oh, more. Oh, gee. Is that the last? Where do we go now, Bobby? Yeah. So they're not on the loop track anyways, are they? It's all right then. So is this that Tawa car park they talked about? Drinking fountain. I've got my water, it's probably nicer than this. Probably. It's not bad actually. Okay. Do you know where to go to now? Oh look, there's a house or something up there. Someone's house or a shelter. Middle of the bush. Huh. The historical romance of Moa and Tutanekai has been immortalised in this artwork. Moa grew up on the shores of Lake Rotorua when she swam for 3.4 kilometres across the lake to her true love Tutanekai. And this artwork represents an ancient lizard that became a pet to the local tribe until it grew too big that it ate a young woman, so had to be killed. I've done a good job here. All these statues. It's brilliant. And there's another one here at the entrance. We came in the other way. We started here, didn't we? And we've gone all the way up here. And we are now here. You are here, and we have to go. Oh, we're going to strike the lake again. Yay, and we go all the way back. Nice. Super. We take off into here. I just want to go up and look at that thing. Blue Lake Walking Trail starts 150 down the hill on the beach. Oh, it's a Blue Lake, Bobby. There we go. Now we know. It's a bush, not the forest now, isn't it? Loop that way. What do all these signs say? Lakefront, Blue Lake. Oh, there you are here. You come halfway. Cool. Oh, orcas. Oh, let's go. Green Lake. Where's he gone? He really waits for me, doesn't he? Where'd you go, beach? Are you here? Why is in such a hurry? What's the hurry? Are you out here, Bobby? Gee, I can't see him. Where is he? There you are. Little rascal. Trying to catch up. Yeah. It's the Green Lake. Up high from it. He stopped this time. It's cool, huh? Under a tree. What now? Made a seat out of it here. Huh? The lake. Caution. To go over the edge. Thank you for the warning. $11:38, Bobby. So we've been riding for over 3 hours. We started there. And we're over here. So not far to go. That to go. Super. Oh man. How did they all die? We rode past a dead hedgehog and now there's a dead possum. Sheesh. Autumn leaves, beautiful colours, I love that, just lovely. Right, now where is he? Wonder how far in front he is now. We need to get mirrors, have to get mirrors on our bikes, make life a lot easier. Finally! Hello, wondered where I was? Whoa, look at that, how lovely. Oh, now where's the man? That's nice. What does he do? Oh, there he comes. The noisy road. Oh, what's this? Don't go through a jolly gate. Oh. Okay. Whoa. We're heading to that Waipaha car park. Super duper. Okay. We're on this little road now. Track. Ooh. Oops. Huh. This is different. Oh no, next to the noisy cars.
Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over. It's about time.
Coffee and food.
On the roller coaster of life, you've got to all choose your time.
This is what they do. But we're back. We're back, we're back. Let's go.
Choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life.
How was that? Cool, huh? Did you enjoy that? I did too. That was neato. The trunk. Batteries. Oh. 2 bars down there. So there we are. That took us roughly 4 hours, didn't it? We didn't have a lunch break. Because it's only 12:20 now. 12:28. Okay.